Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Edween Vlog. I'll be using the Flexi Rods to get my curls out today.
Let me see you. Ooh. Ooh. Let me see you. Let me see you.
First, you want to start off with blow-dried hair or stretched hair, however way you want to do it. I'm sectioned into 4 pieces to make it easier for me. Okay, now I'm going to use the Cream of Nature Argan Oil Mousse to give it that shine. And then I'm going to use the Eco Styler Argan Oil Gel, one of my OGs. I can't really explain how I put on my Flexi Rods, but it's more so a demonstration. Well, I also forgot Shea Moisture Curl Stretch Pudding. Hello.
6.5 hours later.
Alright, so this is probably the scariest part, seeing the outcome the next day. For us natural hair sisters, you already know it's either it's good or it's bad. So it was a fail, and I couldn't seem to style it using the middle part. So I just used the side part and laid down my edges, and there you go. Something out of nothing. Flatten the back, get this flat part. It's so puffy. It's like kind of wet and still puffy, so that was a fail. But it's still kind of cute. I can still go out there. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, subscribe, and share. I used the Cream of Nature Mousse, Eco Styler Gel, the Argan Oil one, and then I used the Curl Stretch Pudding from Shea Moisture. Thank you. Bye.